Have you ever seen fresh artichokes and wondered, what do I do with that? The answer? Lots. Although you may enjoy jarred and canned artichokes and recipes already, you're invited to go fresh. Let recipes like this grilled garlic tarragon artichoke turn you into a fresh artichoke enthusiast. Prepare artichokes by rinsing and scrubbing under running water. Trim the tops and bottoms, peeling the stem. With kitchen shears, remove spiky leaf tips and cut stem and artichoke in half. Once you remove the fuzzy choke center, then you're ready to go. Rub with fresh lemon and steam in a prepared steamer basket. Meanwhile, mix together olive oil, tarragon, and salt, and pepper. Once artichoke is tender, remove and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process. Divide the oil and herb seasoning, and toss artichoke halves with remaining herb and seasoning mixture. Place artichoke halves on a preheated grill rack or pan and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Brush halves with remaining seasoning, add a squeeze of lemon, and sprinkle with cheese. Remove one petal at a time and enjoy. Find this recipe and more on bigY.com. Until next time, be well.